Guys, it's Nick. I'm here in Laganas on Zakynthos, and this is the main street here that's really crazy at night, but it also has a beach, so I'm gonna go check out what the beach is like over here. And it is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I actually found a parking spot over here, so far so good. And I was just over at Laganas Beach, which is really nice. So I'm hoping that this beach is kind of similar with the sand, the layout, and all of that, with the added benefit of maybe some restaurants and stuff on the water here. And let's see how much it is to rent a chair and umbrella. Let's see, Greek salad $7.50, tomahawk pork steak $14.90, burger $12, pizza $9, pork gyros $11.90 for the platter. And right now the dollar and the euro are about even, so whether I say euros or dollars, it's the same thing. Okay, different restaurants have different sets of chairs out front. Not a very wide beach right here yet. Let's walk this way and see. So these chairs look pretty nice. They got the cushions on them and the umbrellas, and I don't know, maybe you just have to order something here. Pizza $10, Greek salad $8. So not bad. Let's check out this water. Water looks very similar to Laganas. A couple small pebbles and stuff like that, but nothing crazy. And I see people all the way out there, and it's just up to their waist. So this is also a beach where you can go far out and it doesn't get that deep yet. Tasso's Restaurant Bar. Excuse me. It's a little tight over here. I wonder if the beach opens up to a wider beach someplace. I don't know. So you can't have everything. Laganas Beach is wider but has no restaurants. This place has a ton of restaurants but is narrower, and the sand is not as good. It's more like kind of compact dirt is a nice way to put it. Let's see, these are nicer cabanas. So you could hire boats out here. Check out these people with their chairs and umbrella in the water. That's one way of not having to get out of your seat but still enjoy the water. That's a new one. This place got a Volkswagen Bug up there. So there's a whole bunch of options of places to sit depending on whether you like the food of the restaurant or whatever, but there's almost too many choices. And this thing goes down for pretty long ways too. Okay, I think I've seen enough. Now I'm gonna go back to the main street around there and just pick a chair and jump in the water because it is hot out here.
We'll have this menu, guys. Yeah, we have the other menu inside, so it's okay. Go. ¿Cinco adentro o fuera?
So if you order something, it's free. If not, a chair, one chair, an umbrella is $3.50. So also not bad. So I'm gonna get my pizza here and then hit the water. So this is the $10 pizza that you have to buy something or pay $3.50. Pizza don't look too bad, but a little small. Guys, that's a look at Laganas Beach. I'm leaving now, it's 4 o'clock. I gotta bring back my rental car, but I think I'm gonna come back here. There's a lot going on and a lot of restaurants. The water's good, big crowds here, so come check it out if you're in the area. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.